Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurmaisara binti Daud and I am from Group 4.
Hi, my name is Nur Hasana binti Sharunizam and I am from Group 4.
Hello, I'm Hassan Nazira binti Zamri from Group 4.
First, the question number 2 asks for determine the value of R and S. So the first step, I will make the two factors that was stated in the question equal to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 and we get the value of x which is negative 1. So we substitute negative 1 into the polynomial equation and we got the first equation which is minus s equal to 7. And the second step is we make the x minus 2 equal to 0 and we got the value of x which is x equal to 2. So we substitute 2 into the polynomial equation which is we got the second equation 4r plus 2s equal to negative 2. Uh, but before we go to the replacement process, we must make R alone, and we got R equal to 7 plus S, so that we can substitute into the second equation to get the value of R and S. Okay, thank you.
Then we substitute the first equation into the second equation for finding the values of S and R. So first we substitute the R, which is the first equation, into the second equation. Then we got the S equal to negative 5. And then we use the same equation, which is first equation, and we substitute the S with the value of S. And then we got R equal to 2.
After we found the value of R and S, let's find the third factor of this polynomial. So the polynomial equation is x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6. And the factor given is x plus 1, x minus 2, and the third factor which is we have to find. So we just write it as ax plus b. To find the third factor, we make the long division method. Before that, we have to expand these two given factor, so it becomes x squared minus x minus 2. So we write it into long division. The divisor of x squared minus x minus 2, we write at the outside, while x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x minus 6, we write inside. The first step for long division is we divide. So we divide x cubed over x squared. So we get x. And then we put x here. Then we multiply with each term in divisor. So we get, x times x squared, we get x cubed. X times negative x, we get minus x squared. X times negative 2, we get negative 2x. And then we subtract. So we get 3x squared minus 3x. Next, we bring down negative 6. And then we just repeat the same step like before. So the last we get the remainder is 0. From this calculation, we get the third factor is x plus 3. The next question is expand 2x squared minus 5x minus 13 over px as a sum of partial fraction. Since we have three linear factors, so we have three fractions, which is a over a plus 1 plus b over a minus 2 plus c over a plus 3. Then we have to equalize the denominator. For a, we have to multiply with a minus 2 and a plus 3. For b, we have to multiply a plus 1 and a plus 3, and c we times with a plus 1 and a minus 2. Now, the denominator are equalized. Now, we just have to eliminate the denominator so we can find the value of a. a times x plus 1, we use x plus 1 equal to 0 and x equal to -1. From this, we have to substitute -1 into the equation. So, 2 times -1 square minus 5 times -1 minus 13 equal to a times -1 minus 2 times -1 plus 3. The total of left hand side is -6 equal to a times -3 times 2. So we get a equal to 1.
After that, we must make x minus 2 equal to 0, and we got the value of x, which is x equal to 2. So we substitute the value of x into the left hand side equation and right hand side equation. So we got -15 equal to 15b, and we got the value of b, which is a -1. So that's all for b, value of b.
When the x is -3, so we just substitute the x with -3 for both equation, and we got c for 2, and then we substitute all the answer in the final answer with ABC, which is 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 plus 2 over x plus 3. That's all.
To solve this question, first we let sec cos theta minus 8 sin theta equal to r sin theta minus alpha. From this r sin theta minus alpha, we have to change to compound angle formula. So it becomes r sin theta cos alpha minus cos theta sin alpha. Then we expand, so we get r sin theta cos alpha negative r cos theta sin alpha. Next, by comparing and equating the coefficient of cos theta and sin theta, we get sec cos theta equal to negative r cos theta sin alpha. So we eliminate cos theta and then we get -6 equal to r sin alpha. So we take it as equation 1. For sin theta, we get -8 sin theta equal to r sin theta cos alpha. We eliminate sin theta and then we get -8 equal to r cos alpha. So this is for equation 2. Now we have two equations. Next step is we have to find angle for alpha in radian and value for r. To find angle for alpha, we have to divide equation 1 by equation 2. So -6 over -8 equal to r sin alpha over r cos alpha. And then we get 3 over 4. From this, we can cancel r, and sin alpha over cos alpha is actually tan alpha. So the angle for alpha in radian is 0.6435 radian. Next, we can find the value of r. To find the value of r, we just square for equation 1 plus equation 2. So we get -6 square plus -8 square equal to r square sin square alpha plus r square cos square alpha. So we factorize and then we get r square in bracket sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. From this is actually identity, which is equal to 1. The total of left hand side is 100 equal to r square, and then we get the value of r is 10. The final answer is sec cos theta minus 8 sin theta equal to 10 sin in bracket theta minus 0.6435.